In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails into SmartSuite using Zapier's email parser. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by logging into your Zapier account. Head over to the home page on Zapier, which you can easily access through the link provided in the description below. This is where the magic happens, and we'll be using this platform to connect your email to SmartSuite. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. Click on that, and you should see some options pop up. This is where we begin crafting our automation, known in Zapier lingo as a zap. Now, after clicking Create, look for the Zaps tab. This will take you to a setup area where you can begin the process of building your email parser. Next, it's time to set up the trigger for our zap. Click on Trigger. Here, you will input the specifics of what kind of email parsing you'll be doing. Type Email Parser into the search field to find the tool we'll be using. Once you've typed that in, you'll see the option for Email Parser pop up. Click on it to select this specific trigger. Next, it's time to choose an event. Click on Choose an Event and then select New Email. This tells Zapier that we want to be notified whenever a new email arrives that meets our parsing criteria. Great, we're moving along nicely. Now click on Action. This is where we'll define what happens next after the email parser does its job. In the search bar that appears, type SmartSuite. This is the step where we will integrate the emails into SmartSuite. You'll need to select SmartSuite after typing it in. Just as we did with the email parser, now we want to choose an event for SmartSuite. Click again on Choose an Event, and this time pick Creates Record. This indicates we want to create a new record in SmartSuite every time an email is parsed successfully. Now here's an important part. You'll need to sign in to your SmartSuite account. Click on Add Account and follow the prompts to connect Zapier to your SmartSuite account. This enables Zapier to create records directly in SmartSuite. Once that's done, just click Continue and follow through with any other necessary steps asking to test the connection. After finishing all these steps, you'll set up how the data from your email will be mapped into SmartSuite's record fields. This is where the customization happens. Think about what information you want to pull from incoming emails and how it should appear in SmartSuite. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, give your Zap a name. This will help you keep track of the different automations you create in Zapier. After naming your Zap, click Turn on Zap to activate the automation. And there you have it. You now know how to send emails into SmartSuite using Zapier's email parser. This setup can save you a ton of time and help keep your data organized, enabling you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos like this for more efficient business solutions.